warm up any space with the DeLonghi Digital Portable Radiant Heater. Providing convenient custom comfort, this 1500-watt heater is equipped with a timer, an adjustable thermostat, and multiple heat settings. Safety features include automatic shutoff for overheat protection. The Eco function with automatic heat and power adjustments helps save energy, and the attached wheels make them easy to move, delivering gentle, full-room, long-term warmth. DeLonghi Radiant Heaters distribute heat quietly, evenly, and efficiently. Bring cozy comfort into your home with the Digital Portable Radiant Heater from DeLonghi.
From the day, decompress, and to be able to make our space our own. But it's not always easy to stay comfortably warm. Where do we turn for reliable heating? Where is there a name we can trust? Introducing the new Air AH450B Deluxe Oil-Filled Radiator Space Heater, an innovative heating system that uses advanced technology to keep you at the perfect temperature. Ordinary heaters work by burning gas, which can be dangerous and needs to be regularly serviced to avoid the risk of fire, not to mention the added risk of exposure to toxic vapors. The AH450B uses a special system of circulating oil, so it keeps radiating heat, even when it's not using any electricity at all. Advanced safety features meet ETL standards and include an overheat protection and tip-over switch that will automatically shut off if the unit even gets close to overheating. It has an easy-to-use LED push-button display and handy remote control. The programmable thermostat has a 10-hour timer, so you can let it run overnight. It also includes an economy mode, which alternates between high and low to conserve energy. At only £17, it's extremely easy to transport. The caster wheels and convenient carrying handle allow it to be easily moved from room to room. The AH450B is one of the best reviewed heaters online. People love that its built-in thermostat keeps the temperature accurate, that it's completely silent while in operation, and people are especially impressed that for using only 1500 watts, it can put out over 5,000 BTUs of heat and warm up a space of over 150 square feet. Whether for your bedroom, office, workplace, or family room, The New Air AH450B is the perfect safety guaranteed solution. Don't let the cold follow you home. Make your space your own. Stay warm and content. For dependability and innovation, you can count on New Air. New Air, a name you can trust.